Figures of speech. Number 1. Simile is an express comparison between two similar things introduced by like or as. For example, her lips is as red as rose. The second one is metaphor, is an implied comparison of unlike objects without as or like. For example, you are the apple of my eye. The third one, personification, is the figure of speech in which some human characteristic is attributed on an inanimate thing. For example, the vegetation is crying for the rain. The fourth one, metonymy, in which one word is put for another that it suggests cause and effect, container, and thing. For example, she comes from the upper of Orient Seas. The fifth one, serinzo, which the writer names a part when he means the whole, or the whole when he means the only a part. For example, 4 tiny feet met grandpa at the door. Hyperbole is an exaggeration for the purpose of emphasis or poetic effect. For example, her heart crushed upon knowing that her boyfriend betrayed her. The seventh one, apostrophe, is an address to the absent as if present or to the inanimate as if human. For example, Hope, come closer to me. The eighth one, irony, is saying the opposite of what is meant in a tone or manner that shows that the speaker thinks. For example, you dance so well. You always step on my feet. Thanks for watching.